Hello, this is a channel. Hello, this is a channel update. Why I haven't been putting any projects out lately? I'm looking at going into the van life, so I'm donating most of my time to looking on how to wire, how to put flooring in, panels. So I've been shopping around for vans, supplies, and that. So I'm going to be doing the van life here hopefully this summer. And then when I upgrade the van into that, there'll be projects that way. Like an awning, flooring, electrical. So please be patient. I might throw a project in here in a couple days, like a camping table. So I don't know what kind of projects I'm going to be doing besides that. And I'll be updating you on my travels. A lot of problems is the gas prices have gone up. And I've been seeing on some sites a lot of the free campsites are getting limited. But I hope so. I hope not. I hope the campsites are not limited like that, where they're making where you can't do the van life on the free campsites. But I'll be looking into that too more. And then trying to figure out foods, things to do while I'm on those sites. Spend 3 days at a site, travel, go to another site 3 days. Be planning to travel through I'm going down to South Carolina to visit my friend, then hit all the way to Arizona for a while. And while I travel there, travel through New Mexico, find some free campsites. Texas. Then go up to Arizona, Utah, Montana, South Dakota. I'm forgetting one state, but it's in that area. So hopefully you guys will be patient. And once I get going, enjoy my content. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up and hit the little bell when you want a notification when I upload my next video. Bye.